The last seen timestamp in your Tesla app indicates the last successful connection between your phone and your car. If it's not updating, it means the app isn't communicating with your Tesla. This is usually due to three main reasons: connectivity problems, either on your phone's end or the car's, the vehicle being in sleep mode, or a glitch caused by a corrupted app cache. Let's explore how to fix each of these issues to get your app working correctly. First, ensure your phone has a stable internet connection, either via Wi-Fi or cellular data. Check your Wi-Fi signal strength to make sure it's strong enough for reliable communication. Check that your Tesla has a good cellular signal or is connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Review cellular signal strength mappings to understand signal quality. In the Tesla app, verify that all permissions are enabled, particularly location services and background app refresh. View the Tesla vehicle screen to confirm connectivity settings. A weak signal or restrictive firewall settings can prevent the app from communicating with your Tesla. If using Wi-Fi hotspot, try switching to a cellular connection for better reliability. To save battery, Tesla vehicles enter a low-power sleep mode after about 30 minutes of inactivity, which disconnects the app. This mode preserves battery life, but prevents real-time app communication. To wake your Tesla, send a command from the app, such as honking the horn or unlocking the doors. Tesla's full self-driving V13 software has made enhancements to reduce disconnects caused by sleep mode. Note that earlier models may enter sleep mode faster. A corrupted app cache can prevent the last seen feature from updating properly. This happens when temporary data stored by the app becomes corrupted, blocking communication with Tesla's servers. Clearing the cache refreshes this data without affecting your personal information like login credentials or vehicle settings. For Android devices, the steps are straightforward. First, open your phone's Settings app, then navigate to Apps or Applications. Find and select the Tesla app from the list. Once in the Tesla app settings, tap on Storage, then select Clear Cache. This will remove the corrupted temporary files while keeping your app data intact. The process usually takes just a few seconds. For iOS devices, Apple doesn't provide a direct clear cache option like Android. Instead, you'll need to offload the app, which removes it from your device, but keeps the documents and data. This effectively clears the cache. After offloading, reinstall the Tesla app from the App Store. When you sign back in, your data will be restored, but the cache will be fresh. This method works reliably and preserves all your settings and vehicle connections. Clearing the cache should resolve the last seen update issue by refreshing the app's connection to Tesla's servers. This is a safe, quick fix that doesn't delete any of your personal data or vehicle settings. Here's a quick checklist for troubleshooting Tesla app last seen update issues. First, force close and reopen the Tesla app to refresh its connection to the vehicle. Second, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone, as it helps maintain the app's link to your Tesla. Third, restart your phone to clear any temporary glitches affecting the app. Fourth, check for and install any available Tesla app updates in the App Store or Google Play to ensure you have the latest bug fixes. Fifth, verify that your Tesla's software is up to date by checking the car's touchscreen, as outdated firmware can cause connectivity issues. These simple steps resolve many common last-seen update issues. If clearing the app cache doesn't resolve the last-seen update issue, the next advanced troubleshooting step is to uninstall and reinstall the Tesla app. This completely refreshes the app's data and connection to Tesla's servers. Start by uninstalling the app from your device, then restart your phone to clear any temporary system processes. Reinstall the app from your App Store and log back in with your Tesla account. If reinstalling the app doesn't fix the problem, contact Tesla support through the app or their website. When reporting the issue, provide specific details to help them diagnose the problem quickly. Include your phone model and operating system version, your Tesla model and software version, and the exact version of the Tesla app you're using. Tesla's support channels report that 70% of cases are resolved via app cache clearing, while connectivity fixes handle another 20%. These statistics show that most issues can be resolved with these basic troubleshooting steps, but advanced support is available when needed. Tesla plans to integrate satellite connectivity through its Starlink partnership into the app by 2027. This advancement will ensure that the last seen feature updates reliably, even in remote areas without traditional cellular coverage. Future app versions will include an AI-driven diagnostic tool that proactively identifies and alerts users to potential connectivity problems before they become issues. As announced in November 2025, these upcoming features are expected to reduce customer support tickets by 30% through smarter, more intuitive app behavior. To prevent Tesla app last seen issues, follow these best practices. First, enable push notifications for the Tesla app to receive real-time alerts about your vehicle status. Keep both the Tesla mobile app and your vehicle's software updated to the latest versions. Regularly clear the Tesla app cache on your phone to prevent temporary data issues. When in areas with poor cellular connectivity, connect your Tesla directly to a Wi-Fi network. As Tesla engineer Elon Musk has noted, improving app connectivity remains a top priority for the company.